Are you looking for a cute teacher appreciation gift? This is a personalized sublimation clipboard, and I'm happy to share that with you along with a template. So let's get started. Okay, this is a sublimation clipboard. It's MDF. You're going to want to make sure you remove the protective film off the front. That way you can sublimate the surface. Get your lint brush and just make sure you don't have any lint. And here is my print. I printed it on my sublimation printer. It's an Epson F570, and I'm using Makerflow sublimation paper. I have this template available for you. You can go ahead and download it. I'll link it below, and you'll have access to personalize it yourself as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the clipboard face down and just line it up with the design. And we're going to need to make sure we secure it with heat tape. You want to make sure it doesn't move, so be sure to tape it all the way around. Okay, so we have it all taped, ready to go. Don't forget your heat gloves. We're going to go ahead and go over to the heat press. I have it set at 355 degrees, and we're going to be pressing it for 120 seconds. Okay, we're ready to press. Just go ahead and put your clipboard facing up with some butcher paper. We're going to cover it so we don't have any ink bleed. Then we press. There it is, super cute. Personalized clipboard for your favorite teacher or educator. I'll go ahead and get this tape off, and then we'll add the hardware. Okay, it's super cute. Came out exactly as expected. The hardware is included with these clipboards. So I'm going to put it on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, and that's it. Super cute, super easy to do, just takes a few minutes. And the great thing about this is they do sell these in bulk. You can get them in packs of 6, 24, and 48, which is great for your small business if you're doing a large group, or maybe you have PTA and you want to do it for all the teachers, or you're just selling them on your Etsy shop or website. So I do have a Canva template. I will link it below, and let's go over that real quick, and I'll show you how you can easily personalize it with anybody's name. Okay, so once you sign up for my studio letter, you will get a link to Canva, and it'll open like this. And you go ahead and click the link and log in to your Canva account. And as you can see, the design is there ready for you to go. And all you need to do is just revise the name as you see fit. You can adjust the line space, you can adjust the font size to make it work for whatever name you decide to put in there. And then once you're done editing it to make it your own, go ahead and click the download button, and you can download it as a PNG, or I like to download it as a high quality PDF from me personally. But you can download it as a JPEG as well if you'd like. And that's it. I hope you like this project. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.